If your welds look like this instead of this, you're probably trying to weld on dirty metal. Let me show you how to fix it. This is what we do not want. When the metal is dirty or covered in rust and mill scale, the wire struggles to even make a connection. Take a few extra minutes and just clean off the rust in the mill scale. It will make a world of difference. Exact same settings, completely different results. If you're just getting into welding, I made a beginner blueprint to help you get started. The link's in the description.